Welcome to my in-depth review of Zoho Books, an accounting software designed specifically for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Zoho Books is part of the Zoho ecosystem, known for its range of productivity and business tools. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know, from its features to its performance, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your needs. We'll start with a quick overview. Zoho Books is an online accounting software that offers a wide range of features, including invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and detailed financial reporting. It's particularly useful for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a cloud-based solution. Next, I'll take you through the setup process. Zoho Books makes getting started simple with its user-friendly interface. You can sign up with your email or use your Zoho account if you already have one. Once logged in, you're greeted with a clean and organized dashboard that gives you a snapshot of your financial activities. One of the standout features of Zoho Books is its invoicing capabilities. You can create professional invoices in minutes, customize them to reflect your brand, and send them directly to clients. The platform even tracks the status of each invoice, so you know which ones are pending, paid, or overdue. Expense tracking is another strong point. Zoho Books allows you to record and categorize expenses with ease. You can even upload receipts directly or connect your bank account to automate expense tracking. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check that out after watching the full review. Now, let's talk about bank reconciliation. This feature ensures your recorded transactions match your bank statements, helping you maintain accurate financial records. It's a lifesaver for avoiding errors and simplifying audits. Zoho Books also excels in reporting. The platform provides detailed reports on your income, expenses, profit, and loss, helping you understand your financial health. These reports are fully customizable, so you can focus on what matters most to your business. Another advantage is the integration capabilities. Zoho Books integrates seamlessly with other Zoho apps and third-party tools, like payment gateways, CRM software, and more. This makes it a versatile choice for businesses already using Zoho products. Pricing is competitive. Zoho Books offers tiered plans to suit different needs, from freelancers to larger businesses. The free plan is perfect for small operations, while the paid plans unlock more advanced features. To wrap up, Zoho Books is a reliable, feature-packed accounting solution that's perfect for small businesses and professionals. Its intuitive design and robust functionality make it a strong contender in the accounting software market. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Your support helps me create more content to guide you through the best tools for your business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.